one of my good friends, I'm not going to call her name out, but I'm definitely going to send you this because I want you to listen to this clip. One of my close friends, man, I love her dearly. She's 33 years old, super educated. I mean, got about like 2 or 3 degrees. Okay. Young, like 30, almost like 30, 33 years old. Has a good job. She lives in Virginia, near Virginia Beach. And she got approved for NACA, but she never went through with it. And she said because she doesn't want the responsibilities. What would you all tell someone who has the means, but they're fearful of the responsibility of the home, which is why they will not buy a home, they'll rent?
You know, that's an interesting question because that's an interesting prompt around what's important to you. What is important to you? Is real estate the only vehicle? No, it's not. We know. You got Courtney coming in talking about other vehicles, right? Like stock market.
Yeah.
Is real estate a good vehicle? Yes. I mean, I think everyone can probably agree.
It's one of the best vehicles in my opinion.
Yeah. The question you got to ask yourself is, what are you comfortable with? What are you comfortable investing with? I like a diversified portfolio.
Facts.
Meaning I'm really good at real estate, so I'm gonna have a little bit more concentration in it than other people. But to me, just like you go to your financial advisor, you need to go to your real estate advisor and decide like how much money you wanna invest into real estate and how much time you wanna invest in real estate. The thing about real estate is it allows you to invest less money and more time and get a high return on investment. Whereas in the stock market, you can invest less time and have a high return on investment, but you didn't have to put as much money in real estate. So that's kind of like the opportunity differences you see. I didn't have as much money. So I went the real estate route because one, I understood it. I'm like, oh, I can see that. I can see this. That's drywall. That's brick. That's the kitchen. This sofa, this so I understood that. All right. I'm not that smart, but I understood that. So that's the reason I went into real estate. But I think you can do either one. The thing I will say is if you're looking for generational wealth and you're trying to change your financial future of both yourself and your family, I don't know anyone that does not invest in real estate.
Facts.
Let's be honest. Most people are stressed and stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle because they were never taught how money actually works. That is exactly why I built this channel. Every week, my team and I are breaking down how to master your money, how to get out of debt, save, invest, and build wealth without borrowing a dime. No fluff, no hype, just real money talk that actually helps you win financially. You see, because money impacts every aspect of our lives, our peace, our relationships, and even our future. If you don't take control of it, it will control you. And if you're tired of just surviving and you're ready to build wealth God's way, you're in the right place. Over 900,000 people have already subscribed to our YouTube channel with over millions of downloads on our Apple and Spotify podcast. Now, when we hit 1 million on YouTube, we're giving away $30,000 to help you get out of debt and to start building legacy. So listen, don't just watch. Hit that subscribe, family. Join this community. Let's build real wealth. Let's build real financial freedom together. It's your boy. Hit that subscribe. Let's get back to the show.
I don't know anyone either. And actually, all of my millionaire wealthy individuals, they don't just have one. They got several. And what I'm seeing them do now is just really purchase even more land.
Dirt.
Like they're buying dirt like it is nothing right now. And because there's like, this is what they say, and correct me in the real estate space. Now I'm going all off script, but I just love it. This is why I love my brothers. They're saying they're fearful that within the next 10 to 15 years, we won't have a lot of dirt because people are having to buy and things are moving further out away from population. So what they're doing is they're going out to there to bring them all, not bring them, say it again. They're going out, right? Buying dirt, keeping that dirt inside of a trust, giving it to their grandchildren, because by the time the grandchildren come, we will be out there and then coming back.
Oh, 100%. I mean, look, what's the little phrase when we were kids? God made dirt and dirt don't hurt. All right. And so if you do a radius of 20 to 30 miles outside of any major city, And even a secondary city.
Yeah.
Sometimes even a tertiary city. The simplest way you want to get rich is in 1 minute, if you can do this. And I'm not saying I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not this, I'm not that, right?
Yeah.
But if you buy the dirt within 20, 30 miles outside of a very popular area, and you wait 20 years, the chances that they're gonna have to build out towards there is high. Because we're not making no more dirt and the population's increasing, so where are they gonna go?
That's it.
Right? They're gonna go there.
The other concern with being proximal to those primary and secondary cities is energy, food production, storage, servers. Like, I mean, there's will be even more need as populations do continue to increase for stuff within even warehouse and storage stuff, like close to city. Like, there will be lots of opportunities in the future if you own the dirt for things to be activated on it. And USDA loans have a lot of interesting options of things you can do in areas that are designated more rural today, because those designations change year over year depending on population trends.
But yeah, like you said, a lot of conversations with people who are buying land, trying to build family compounds, who are wanting to put multiple structures on one piece of property to, protect themselves and insulate themselves from potential, hazards that we see in the future.
Building credit the traditional way is slow and confusing, and most credit cards want you to rack up debt just to boost your score. You see, I used to think that you had to choose between staying debt-free or having a good credit score. But, here's what I've discovered. There's actually a way to build credit without any credit checks, without going into debt, and without paying crazy interest fees. And it works faster than I thought possible. See, my friends at Kickoff, they are the truth. They are doing something different. They help you build credit the right way without the debt trap. I've seen people go from no credit to a 700 plus score using their system, and they did it completely debt free. Say one more time, completely debt free. Over 150,000 people have left 5-star reviews on the App Store. Users see an average of 34 points increase in their credit score. Some even see, watch this, up to 84 points within the first 12 months. These aren't just numbers. These are real people getting approved for homes and getting better interest rates. Here's the truth. Every month you wait is another month of paying higher interest rates on everything. A good credit score can save you a lot of money, thousands on a mortgage, hundreds on car insurance, and even help you skip the security deposits. Don't let bad credit cost you money. I want you to visit anthonyoneal.com/kickoff right now to get started for as little as $1 on your first month. I want you to build credit the debt-free way, because your future self will thank you.
I was gonna bear with this. This is some good information. So I bought some dirt, and I'll be honest with you all, it's been a little discouraging because I can't do nothing with it now.
It's a longer term play. It's a much longer term play.
And that's what my mentor told me. He said, hey, respectfully saying this ain't for you. You will not benefit from this financially. If you're thinking legacy, like what you teach, this is going to benefit them more so than you. He said, I will just put that dirt inside the land, pay the taxes on it. Do not let the taxes go because you can lose it in tax court. And I said, okay. He said, but this is more so going towards your net worth and legacy play than it is for you. Would you all agree that 20 to 30 miles outside of the limit, because you just said 20 years. 20 years from now, I'm gonna be 62 years old, right? I'm thinking by that time, do I need to be selling any dirt? Or do I just give it to my kids and let them maybe build something on it and then rent it out down the road? And a part of me is thinking, this is so good, man. We gonna do a dirt show.
Talk about dirt.
Because it's like the land that I have is about 6 acres. I bought the dirt from a tax sale. Unfortunately, this older lady could not purchase, she couldn't pay the taxes on it. So everything finally went through, bought it. Got it appraised. It appraised for more than what I bought it for, tax-wise. But the real estate there told me, it was like, yeah, bro, you're not selling this sometime soon. Nobody wants this land right now. But he did say it's about 24 miles outside of the popular city. And so my thought process is, and this is where I need y'all to tell me if I'm thinking right. 24 years from now, boom, I have that. Put some rental properties on there. pay that off, transfer all that to kids or to whomever in the next generation, to where now that's rental money, free rental money coming in. Is that a good idea, or would you let that dirt sit there a little bit longer before you put anything on it?
Depends on where it is, though.
Yeah, depends on where it is.
Like the location matters. So like, has the development come
to that
area yet?
What's the closest thing people are doing?
Right. Has it made it that far? So you're gonna have to be kind of judicious about, looking. It's a great problem to have that you have assets and you got to make decisions about it. A problem nonetheless.
Yeah.
So the problem is you have to look and see at that time, and that's at any point in time. It might be 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, or 50 years from now. We don't know when it happens. We just know that at some point in time in the future, people are going to look and people are going to make offers on your property. They're going to say, that's interesting. I'd like that property. I think we can do something with it. If you haven't put any structures on it. Right. Or if you go about putting structures on it, then they might say, well, this is interesting. Like, can you rent it out? Because you have to look at the feasibility of being able to rent out that property in that location to the type of people that would rent from there. And does that make sense?
But your mind is such an active investor mind that wants to make things happen. I feel like that is going to always have some conflict with a land ownership strategy, because you got to think so much longer about it. Like some of the smartest people I know in that space, they don't think about the use now. Right. It's like, I'm going to start out with some, I'm going to add utility service and do some short-term rental or some Airbnb type stuff, then see how that operates for a while, and then put some more permanent structures on it. And then if that ain't working, I'm going to put some you can like do different things over time with dirt in areas that are not zoned specifically for just residential houses. You got like lots of options.
Yeah, I mean, I think the first thing I would say is, and not to throw up, but the first thing, my first decision point, or my first question is, can I start buying the other lots around me? How can I start putting together a large piece of land, right? So start buying all the parcels around me. All right, I got 6 acres here. This person might not want to sell for 5 years. This person might not want to sell for 10 years. Like, you might have to wait that
strategy.
Right, man, it's a really long-term strategy, right?
Yes.
Because what if you put 100 acres together now?
Ooh.
Right? Like, now you're playing a different game. Or you could just, put a exotic animal farm on there or something like that. I mean, you can do whatever you want at that point.
Yeah.
But 6 acres, you're a little bit limited. But 100 acres, you can do some stuff.